we spent a lot of time lately going around Georgian Bay, and we just wanted to share with you all the awesome places in Ontario that we've discovered along the way. We went up to Sudbury. Graham had some work up there, so me and the kids came with him. We stayed in the Holiday Inn at Sudbury. It was a great time. We had a good time in the pools. They did a great job with keeping things clean and distanced, and we felt really safe there. So thank you, Holiday Inn.
2, 3, go! 2, 3.
Also, while we were in Sudbury, we went up to the Onaping River, and it's gorgeous. It's something about the area. It's just the rocks and the granite and the quartz. It's beautiful. There's a small trail that leads to a bridge that goes across the river, and then another 1.5 kilometer loop trail. It's just a lot of fun. Nice little hike to get out, get active if you're in the Sudbury area. Highly recommended.
Yeah, it was about half an hour drive out of town, but it was totally worth it. We loved it. Also, while we were in Sudbury, we spent a day down in Killarney Provincial Park. That was awesome. We are in Killarney Provincial Park, and we are setting out to hike the crack, get some awesome views. So we hear that the beginning of the hike is pretty straightforward, and then there's a bit of bouldering. So yeah, I think it's about 6 or 7 kilometers. See how it goes. About halfway, and there were some awesome views there, and then right near the end there was some scrambling over some big boulders, and then you go through the crack. Oh, this is cool. So amazing. Left or right. And then the view that you come to at the top is
stunning.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, it's really cool. You can see almost a full 360 around, and you can see the other lakes and the other mountains.
The whole hike is about 6 kilometers, and it took us probably 4.5 hours.
With the kids, yeah. Yeah,
and we did quite a bit of stepping off the trail to let people pass, exploring different places, and enjoying the view from the top. So it was a more difficult hike, but a lot of fun, and we had no problem. Yeah, okay, you didn't find it difficult.
No, it's good.
It's rated difficult, but it was no problem at all to take the kids there.
Goodbye!
See you next time.
Subscribe and follow us on our tour around Georgian Bay.